Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how you can get pink lips naturally at home, a DIY lip scrub, and also how to get rid of chapped, dry skin on your lips, guys. So guys, if you want to see a tutorial on how you can get pink lips naturally at home, and also if you want to see a detailed lip care tutorial on how I went from these dark lips to pink lips, or how to lighten your lips naturally at home, how to get a pink lips naturally at home, keep watching guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel guys. So guys, having said that, let's get started. And so guys, this video you are seeing here is me right here the same day before I filmed this tutorial. Okay guys, before I apply the lip scrub on my lips, guys. You guys can see, okay. And then for this tutorial, we are going to need a bowl and a spoon, okay guys, for mixing it out. We're also going to need coconut oil, which is used to reduce friction, okay guys. We're also going to need some honey, which contains some antioxidant and also has a soothing effect. So guys, you're going to need a lemon or lemon juice, which is a bleaching agent, okay guys. And also we are going to need some fine sugar, which acts as an exfoliating agent, okay. And so guys, having said that, let's get started. So guys, for the lip scrub, okay, we are going to add 3 teaspoons of sugar, or you can add more, okay guys. You just need to make sure that you make the lip scrub in a quantity in which you like or you want, okay guys. We're also going to add a teaspoon of honey, so guys, just add a teaspoon of honey, and then we are going to add also a teaspoon of coconut oil. And finally, I'm going to cut out the lemon, then squeeze out the juice and add a teaspoon as well in order to make the lip scrub. So guys, after that, you're just going to mix everything together, okay, in order to form the lip scrub, which we are going to use in order to scrub out the dead dry skins on the lips in order to get a pink lips naturally, okay. And so guys, here it is. It is now a thick paste, as you guys can see. And so guys, you have to store it. As you guys can see, you can make use of any container, big or small, in order to store it. And then making use of my finger, I'm going to grab the lip scrub, the sugar lip scrub, and then go over to my lips in order to scrub my lips, and also to remove any dead, dried, or chapped lips, okay. So guys, you just need to scrub the upper and your lower lips properly. And then you're as well going to make use of some toothbrush, guys. So guys, it is actually okay to make use of either your hands or your toothbrush. You can make use of any. Okay guys, you just need to go grab some products, some lip scrubs, then go over your lips in order to scrub your lips, okay. And so guys, after scrubbing, you just need to wash it out, okay. So guys, I ensure that I scrub every part of my lips, and then I wash out the lip scrub out. And then guys, after washing it out, yeah, you need to moisturize your lips. You're either going to use this Vaseline Intense Care, okay, or you're going to make use of some Maybelline baby lips in the one called Berry Crush. They are absolutely amazing. And so guys, or you're also going to make use of Vaseline Lip Therapy. So guys, you can make use of any one of them, okay guys. They are all good and works perfectly fine as a lip moisturizer, okay guys. I alternate them, okay. It depends on my mood and which one I would love to use. So guys, you just need to open it up, the Vaseline Rosy Lips, okay, and then go ahead to apply it on your lips in order to keep your lips moisturized, okay guys, and also pink. So guys, you guys can see how much effect or how much my lips have changed just right now, Okay guys, you guys can see the pink, natural pink lips already coming out. So guys, don't forget that you have to do it regularly in order to see a very much good result. Okay guys, don't need to just start today and then the result will come today. You have to be consistent with it. Okay guys, and here is my before video. Before I apply the lip scrub, guys, you guys can see how much my lips have changed. And so guys, that is it on how to get a pink lips naturally at home, or a DIY lip scrub, which is very much easy and quick to do at home. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. See you guys on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.